back to another video, guys. So a lot of you guys have asked me for this and I just never done it, and now I'm gonna do it because everything's about to change. So take it all in because yeah, changes are happening. So I'm in my office right now, and my office has been outdated. I've had a really old desk ever since I moved in, something cheap I found at Walmart, and my work said, hey, I'll give you guys 500 bucks for an office desk and a chair, and we'll reimburse you guys. So I went ahead and purchased some new stuff, and with that being said, since I'm gonna be moving that, I'm just gonna redo my full office and make it a lot less cluttered, because I'm doing Zoom calls and I'm looking behind me and it just looks insane. And I already started moving stuff around, and then I thought, hey, maybe I should like make a video to document what this looks like for myself and for you guys. So if you're excited for that, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here, and let's get started. I do have trash bags all over the floor as well as stuff moved around, so it's not in tidy order, but it gives you guys a general idea. So if you first walk in, you're gonna see a bow case for when I go bow hunting. That's inside there. There's my fridge full of water and drinks and a bunch of stuff. And then I have this right here. And this I got from, I did an ad for a company, and they sent me this fridge, and it's been awesome. I use it all the time. This also is an ad that I did. It's all dusty and I got to clean it up right now, but basically this right here is an electric photo frame, so you put your SD cards in there, and it'll just be rotating pictures, as well as it tells the weather and time and all that stuff. And this is just stuff I need to move. Going up right here, one of our subscribers, Tammy, one of our first subscribers ever, sent this to me. Just keep uploading every day, and I'm trying to stick with it. I look at that every day and you know, do my best. And then I got kind of a little collage wall right here of some of our Disney trips with my family and my parents, and look at that. Don't even see them in the parks no more. And then I made that sign right there, and instead of selling it, I just decided to keep it. So that's in my room. Also made that Star Wars sign and the Haunted Mansion sign out of wood. And then our friends actually gave us this sign. She makes a lot of cool stuff. Look at that, very, very cool. And so we'll move on right now. This right here is my other desk that I have. I used to have two desks in here, so I kept this one here. And it just is basically where I put all my junk at, as you can see. Underneath here, I had a bunch of wood products. As you can see, there's a bunch of lines. I had a bunch of stuff like this and different projects that I was working on. I took it all to the garage. Have a bag full of just stuff that needs to get out of here. And, you know, just a bunch of things that I found over the years, as you guys can see. And then this is my whiteboard, which will also be taken out. I didn't know how to mount it, so I literally just drilled screws into the wall, and I found a stud, and it's full of just notes to myself and just kind of memories. Like, Doug randomly decided to buy this at Johnny Rockets on our last trip. We also randomly found this at Disneyland, so we kept it. I don't know who that guy is at all. This is the ticket that I surprised Jasmine with a trip to Disney World with just a couple months ago now. Check it out. Check out our Disney channel. Vision boards and just stuff, guys. Look at this. My wallet from when I was in high school. Right here. Look at this. 1965 Mustang. Actually, it looks like a 66. And yeah, just a bunch of stuff. This right here was the day that I found out that my dad was having heart issues. Ellie gave me this picture and she drew on it, and she said, I just want to make you feel happy. And I dated it just for my memory. 3/2/2021, day we found out. Ellie gave this to me because she said she wanted me to laugh and not cry anymore. So just a bunch of stuff, guys, a bunch of memories. I love this, but it needs to be done in a tidier way, which is why I'm switching everything up. This right here was given to Ellie because she was throwing a fit in a Disney store, and they gave it to her to help her calm her down. Said, hey, you got to listen to your mom. And she's like, okay, I did. And they gave her this certificate, so I'll always keep that. And just a bunch of stuff, guys. Legacy pass holder stuff, and it just looks too much. I mean, as you guys can see, this wall is just insane. So I definitely need to clear that out. Got a heat press right here with a bunch of different tools that I use to cut and just different things like that. And here, this is really dirty. It got dirty recently, but let me open it up. Got a bunch of cameras, stuff I've used over the years, a bunch of collectibles, electronic stuff in there, old laptops, 2 old laptops right there. That is from my childhood, Game Boy stuff. Just a bunch of random things. And up here is just another cluster, and it's just nothing but Disney stuff. From my first ticket when I ever first went to Disneyland with Jasmine, I got a lot of things, as you guys can see. And yeah, so also got my old drone, which doesn't even work. I just keep it there because I feel like it looks cool, but I'm going to be taking that off as well. And then just more Disney stuff, just random stuff that I've been going through, which I need to take all this out. And then right here, I got backpacks hanging. As you can see, I might keep it, but make it like nicer, because I need a place to use my backpacks. I use backpacks all the time. And then I just got a ton of hats, as you can see. And then coming right here is, we used to get a lot of stuff in our P.O. box, so I would put it up. I thought it was pretty cool. People would send us letters and just different things like that. And I don't know. And then obviously you guys have seen this wall. This wall is probably the one everybody always asks about. There's just tons of pictures. There's like 100 and something pictures right here. And right here, guys, I actually brought this from my other house that we moved in from. There's just so much stuff. There's an old picture of my grandpa playing baseball, birthday stuff, old memories of places we've went, our first visit to Universal Studios. And this, as you can see, guys, is just another one. It's more stuff that people have sent us, postcards from different places, Goofy's Kitchen, mace, unless you want to spray someone down. And then Tammy, the same lady that sent me that note. It's supposed to be hard. If it were easy, everyone would do it. And just a bunch of stuff that we have here, guys. A picture. And let's see what else we can find. We did a thing with Crunch one time. We went to Vegas. Just a bunch of stuff, guys. And look at this. Where is it at? Alex gave that to me when she quit Target, Jasmine's sister, and I was supposed to do a prank and pretend to be a Target employee on Black Friday. Never did it. Probably my favorite part of the room, which is all my Disney stuff right here. I won't really get into it much. If you follow our Disney channel, I'll be doing like a breakdown of all this stuff soon. But I just love everything here. I just want to organize it nicer because it is kind of a lot. And this is what I got on my most recent trip, a little monorail. But yeah, this is it's a lot to take in. And then obviously I got the fish tank. Pretty cool. I got 3 fish in there right now. They're just chilling. And look at that. I created myself. Thanks to Barbie and Jesus. They bought me that when we went to the Funko store. I'll have a video on that on our Disney channel as well. And this right here is just, I got more stuff just chilling. Got a Lego set Jasmine got me for my birthday. Got my scroll saw so I can make signs, as you can see. And then I have another one of these. I used to be a collections guy. Third-party collections. So if you owed money, I was the one that called you, and I got basically awards for the amount of money I collected when I was there. And it's just still a bunch of old stuff. San Diego Zoo. This I've had since my first apartment, I want to say. Look at this. Old tickets from when I was a kid. Look at that. Really old Suns tickets and just random stuff. So it's gonna be crazy. All this stuff is gonna be taken down. I used to make custom socks, and this was my like Dick's Sporting Goods account that I would use to buy Nike Elite socks and get discounts because I had so many. Our old SeaWorld pass member tickets or cards or whatever you want to call them. What else, man? It just goes and goes and goes. Look at this. February 9th, 2012 Suns tickets. Butterfly Emporium. Look at Zaya right there. That's when me and Jasmine and all the family went and met a bunch of D-backs players. This was me and Zay's first time at Disney together. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, so much memories. Well, you guys asked for it. I gave it to you. And next time I show you the outfits, it's gonna look completely different. They did your nails? They did them? Let me see. Put your hands up. Turn them around. Oh shoot, you went to the nail place and you did your nails. I'm so happy. Oh my God. Yes. They look beautiful.
And they did mommy nails.
You have to, they did your nails too?
I'm gonna go back and get them redone.
What?
Look how they painted them. It looks like.
Oh, let me see. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah, it looks like they did it.
Do an extra coat.
Yeah.
But I'm too scared to call, so my sister's gonna call for me.
Why'd they do that?
I don't know. It was a guy.
Stop. Oh, are you sexist against guys doing nails?
Anyway.
Daddy, why take all your things over there?
I'm cleaning my room. See, it's changing. You like it so far?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Should I
far,
go
so
back or
good.
should I just... No, I'm gonna go back.
No, go back. You paid how much money?
It was $30.
So bad, so good.
Yeah, just that you paid them to do it. Just it takes them a
so
second.
good.
What?
So far, so good.
So far, so good.
So far, so good.
I want to take a picture
Okay.
so they can like see I'm not making it up, but my camera has like blemish improvement, so you can't tell.
Oh, so you're like Khloe Kardashian? Well, everyone, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to stay tuned because we're going to be showing you the whole update on The Office, and it's going to look amazing, hopefully at least. So we'll see you on the next video. Have a good one, guys. Thank you all so much for your support.